urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, northern Richland County, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, western Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, southeastern Sandusky County, northern Crawford County, Lorain County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Kelly's Island to near Bellevue to near Chatfield, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Lakewood, Strongsville, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Bellevue, Grafton, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, and Northern Mile End. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina, Richland, Sandusky, and Seneca.